For Fun Friday, my students wanted to do another Pass the Phone challenge. So I'm passing the phone to a student who really gets my sense of humor.
I'm passing the phone, again, to the teacher who thinks he's the funniest person in the world.
I'm handing the phone to one of my talented athletes who I love to coach.
I'm passing the phone to the coach whose workouts actually made me slower.
I'm handing the phone to a colleague who inspires me to be a better teacher.
I'm passing the phone to the guy who probably won't be working here next year.
I'm handing the phone to a creative young scholar.
I'm passing the phone to the guy who always eats during class.
I'm handing the phone to the smartest kid in my class.
I'm passing the phone to something that actually teaches me history.
Oh, I was looking for my Google machine.
So in Hawaii, we say ho instead of whoa. Like we go ho. And when I first moved to the mainland, oh, here, you guys can look at the bubble castle I'm making. That got me into some trouble because, well, sometimes I would just get weird looks. Like people would be like, did you just say ho? And I would be like, oh, sorry, like that's what we say in Hawaii. But this one time, this girl was talking about, it wasn't her body count because we're here in Provo, Utah, so it was like her makeout count or whatever. And she was like, yeah, and I've made out with 72. Whoa, do you guys? Oh, I popped it. Anyway, it was getting big. Anyway, she was like, I've made out with 72 dudes. And I was like, ho! And the room like went silent. And everyone like looked at me. And I was like, but everyone else was like, whoa, or like, oh. And then she was like, what did you just call me? And I was like, huh? And then everyone's like, you can't. And then I realized that I had called her a hoe. Whoops.
Watch my graphic design teacher roast our work.
It's boring, but it works, right? H. Hey, you know what? You can't go wrong with just making a letter. It mostly just looks like a butt when you fill in a letter B. Oh, Monica. No. Sorry. This feels kind of like a logo for like a corporation that is proudly polluting the environment. Is it a noodle company? I'm not totally sure. I mean, it's your name, so I want to rag on it, but it does. As far as this goes, the question is why? It just looks like you're mad. If you are mad, maybe that's your name. This says, I know how to do code. Which I guess is probably what you're going for. I'm not sure. Ass. As. Once again, letters in a circle? Sure. This just feels like a kind of a poorly drawn logo that somebody wrote on the outside of their notebook in grade school, which is cool for that. This looks like a software company logo from like
We've been waiting for you all summer, and we're so glad you're finally here.
Yeah. You quit sucking on my daughter's motherfucking titties, okay?
Let me see.
David, I need you to quit sucking on my daughter's motherfucking titties.
3, 2, 1, go. I lost it. Holy shit!
So the sign says Walmart, but what if instead the sign said wall
Shut the fuck up.
What if it said Walmart?
Oh, sorry. That's my car.
There's a fucking lion! Bruh, that's a fucking lion! Deadass thought that was a lion, bruh. Hi, buddy.
If someone ever approaches you and tries to rob you, tell them to stop. Ask them, is it necessary? Is it nice? Do you have my permission? Tell them that you do not want to be touched. If they point a gun at you, tell them that it's illegal.
Bro, I think I fucked up my soup.
Who's down bad today? Alright, so my guy texted his crush in 2015. Hey, what are you doing this weekend? Ah man, 2015. Before the panoramic. But anyways, she says, hi, sorry, I didn't see this. And then this fool says, it's okay. It's okay? We don't even gotta read further. This fool said, it's okay. Yo, it has been 6 years. And as you guys should know, this fool is down bad. 6 years down bad.
Hey, fuck, boy, when I see you was on site, you heard me, pussy boy. When I see you was on site, you heard me, pussy boy.
And we gang members.
Yes.
And we from 63rd. And we from 6.
What gang member are we? You heard me, fuck, boy, when I see you was on site, you heard? We don't have no guns. What if he sees us on site? We're never gonna see him. Okay.
Pussy.
You heard me, fuck, boy, when I see you, it's on site, you heard?
Don't do drugs, don't do drugs, don't do drugs. What do drugs say? I'll explain fast. They're substances that when you take, make you crazy or hallucinate. Let me tell you that drugs are really bad, and if you do them, it's very sad. That goes with the people around you too. Drugs can take on many forms, like a plant you smoke or a pill you pop. Think about drugs, just stop. Drugs are really very bad. If you do them, it's very sad. So don't do drugs, don't do drugs, don't do drugs. Don't do drugs.
You want to do it?
Oh, there. Oh, cute. Where's the crowd?
There have been teenagers running around Garrettson Beach and Marine Park throwing cheese at vehicles. It hit my son, my window was open, and they hit my son on the forehead with...
Cause they gotta be in the car somewhere.
What are top bars with the boys?
Alright, made it to Joe's. Look how busy this shit is.
Why do they have the colors of the Mexican flag when it's supposed to be Italian?
What a blonde moment.
Seriously, why?
I just remember that one of my friends posted this on her private story a few months ago, and I just was shocked that I had to screenshot that. Here it is. Really get a good look at it. Now, I'm white, but even I have to draw the line somewhere.
You alright, mate? You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here. I'm on the phone.
Nothing here, bro.
I loosened it.
We will.
Who's going next? Somebody go next.
Where's that get a butter knife. You need to fucking pop that air bubble out. It ain't gonna open. Yeah, it's fucking sucking in.
Go Matt, go Matt, go Matt.
Oh man, y'all got this all greasy now. All y'all's palms.
Yeah.
Says the grease master over here.
Yeah, it's a lot more slippery than you think.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me, miss.
Hi.
No, excuse me. I'm walking.
Words my Greek dad can't pronounce. Biscuit, disquiz, eisel,
So my neighbors have been like outside playing in their brand new pool. And I just been staring at them, you know, because I really want to go with them, but I don't know if they get the hint. Like, I deadass want to go swim too, bro. I'm staring right at y'all. Just invite me. Come on.
Whoops. I sure do hope a big booty Asian bitch doesn't follow me back to my crib.
Yo, Grandma, how was the Easter dinner?
It was busting respectably, few.
What about you, Papa?
Phew.
I just want to impress her. Why can't I be good like my friends? I might just quit. What the heck?
What happened, Mr. Drifter? What happened, Drifter? What happened? Tell us. Fucking lost it. Now what we gonna do?
Okay, if you don't know, then you gotta try this clay mask. It's called Aztec Healing Clay. Yes, I know. I can't really blink my eyes like I want to because it's so tight. Anywho, I'm gonna show you how it looks close up. Anywho, this how it looks like when it's dried or whatever. You see it, like it's just, it's crazy. God, that's crazy.
So embarrassed. I've gone to the shop to get some stuff and I needed some toilet roll, but it wouldn't fit in a bag. So I'm just holding it like this. Like how, oh, someone's coming. Don't think they saw me. I was stood still. But it's basically like I'm just holding a sign that says, I do shits. Horrible!
So bang, break this glass right here. Here we go. See? Oh my God.
Milk, was it clear?
What are you doing up there? Come here.
What are you doing out there?
How to make your girlfriend's day. Hello, police officer.
Have a great night.
When the imposter is us. Dun dun.
Emblem. Yo, that car look nice. Hey, bro, take a picture of me sitting on the hood.
All right, I got you.
Bro, so I come and open the microwave, right? Check it out. It's just some broccoli. What the fuck?
Look, that's the normal one, and then like I saw that one, and I was like, damn, it's fucked up. But it was really because it was in the it was in the. My mom got me a.
She thinks so. Probably Wednesday of next week we will.
お母さん、ちょっと僕の指パッチ見てください。
なんか静かにして。
すいません。
Say they gotta move this motherfucker for. Full.
The train want to stop us workout, man. We great all 2021.
Full.
Let's go.
Full, no way. Full. 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. Yes, sir.
He think I'm so stupid. Why am I been calling him all night?
Give me my phone!
No!
Give me my phone!
I'm about to answer it. Oh my god, I'm answering this. Hello?
Oh my gosh.
That wasn't supposed to happen. What? She's literally mad that I'm sitting at a gas pump. What is this Karen's problem? What is your There's literally so many pumps open, dude. The fuck? Literally, can you see that? She's saying, I want that one. Like, what is she doing? I literally pumped gas and then was looking up directions on my phone. There were like 4 pumps open and she literally screamed, I want that one at me. What? That's a grown adult.
Babe, Big Papa's home. I hope you're ready for this 3-centimeter defeater. I should have knocked. I knew it. I forgot you had a client today. I'm sorry. All right, proceed.
So, how are things without boy? I don't know. We haven't talked in weeks. How come? Either he doesn't care anymore or he's playing hard to get. So what are you gonna do? Nothing. You're not gonna talk to him? Why would I? Don't you miss him? I do, but at one point I didn't even know him, so I could just go back to that. Damn, you can really do that? Yeah. You see, I don't want to be forgotten, so I'm gonna text real quick. Good idea. Why did you text me? See, this is why I block you. You're no fun.
I should have known my son was going to be bad.
Jessia, what you looking at?
Girls never bench. They have no upper body strength. Okay, where's your fat ass then?
Bitch, this is a motherfucking staff. Hold on, bitch.
Hey, you.
What?
You're alive.
And an email address?
My email address is banned from Club Penguin for talking shit.
Seriously?
Yeah. At gmail.com.
Email address.
My email address is I'm pregnant at gmail.com. Actually, this is the perfect time to bring this up, dude. Look. See?
Nice.
I mean, I wouldn't get too close to it. I peed on it, but...
Yo, so is this like real life? That is a real fucking... Oh my god. Whose bird is this? You finna hit the... Oh my god. That is a... It's coming to me. Oh my god, I'm finna pee on myself. I'm finna fucking pee.
Fam, what you doing after hitting this?
Bro, why ain't this shit trying to charge?
Oh, no, shit.
Bet, fam, I'm finna go to sleep.
Bet.
Hey, bro, you can tuck me in?
Yeah, I got you.
Good looks, G.
Sleep tight.
Fam, you got a water? I'm a little dehydrated, bro.
Yeah, I got you.
Good looks, G. You really a real one, no cap.
Bro, this show good as hell, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, how he even do that?
How I keep our rent low in our neighborhood.
Hey, Kitty.
Does anyone know Trader Joe? I need his phone number and I need his Addy.